Owning a boat is a joy, but it comes with its own set of challenges. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, boat owners face many hurdles. That's where MacDougall's Cape Cod Marine Service comes in. Our expert team is here to keep your boat in top condition. We offer comprehensive maintenance services to ensure your boat runs smoothly. Facing engine troubles? Our skilled technicians can handle it. Need a paint job? We provide top-quality painting services. Our marina offers secure storage options for your boat. We also provide emergency repair services to get you back on the water quickly. Our services are designed to give you peace of mind. At MacDougall's, we understand the importance of your boat. Our goal is to provide exceptional service that exceeds your expectations. Join the many satisfied customers who trust MacDougall's Cape Cod Marine Service. Visit us today and experience the difference. MacDougall's Cape Cod Marine Service, your trusted partner in marine excellence.